Isn't it pathetic? We live for people who will forget us in a week, while the only one who truly mourns our soul is a beast that cannot even say our name. We believe our titles and armor define us, but Briton Rivière's Requiescat strips that illusion bare. A medieval knight lies in the frozen silence of death, encased in rigid steel. The flowers on his chest are a formal, hollow farewell from a world he no longer belongs to. But the only real pulse in this room isn't the dead hero. It's the bloodhound sitting vigil by his side. Rivière captures a tension that no funeral speech can reach. Look at that armor, a shell built to withstand the world, now empty and useless. The hound doesn't care about the knight's noble lineage or his glory in battle. The dog's gaze is fixed on his master's face, searching for a spark of life with an intensity humans hide behind dignified grief. It is the jarring contrast between metallic finality and warm, confused devotion. It reveals a brutal truth. At the end, our social identities vanish, leaving only the most primal, wordless bonds. If we look deeply into the artwork, we realize the dog isn't just a symbol of loyalty. It is the only mirror reflecting the knight's true, unarmored soul. The armor was a performance for the world, but the dog was the sanctuary for the man. We spend our lives forging iron suits of career and ego, hoping to be remembered. Yet, Rivière suggests that the only thing that survives the grave is the love of a being that never cared about your armor in the first place. In this room, the animal is more human than the corpse, proving our greatest legacy is the silent devotion we earned in the dark. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.